Today I have a box of 2013-14 Court Kings basketball. One of my favorite cheap boxes to break. One autograph, one mem card per box. I really like the looks of the cards. I think you get a nice box topper with each box. So let's check it out. Here's the box topper. I did hit an autograph, Kyrie Irving, out of these once. Let's see if I can have more luck. Now I got an old school one. James Worthy. Interesting. Alright, here it is. Just one pack. I'll try to bring a couple of cards from the back. Alright, so here's the base card look. Really cool looking cards. There's a Kobe Bryant, Zach Randolph, Paul Millsap, Roy Hibbert, and a blue Devon Williams, number to 75. Mason Plumlee, rookie card. Tony Parker, Renaissance Man. Just got the nice texture feel. Almost like a painted field. Coast to Coast, Jerry West. And some old school Lakers in this box. Got a Matt Barnes Performance Art, just a base jersey. Number to 299. And very sweet, Larry Johnson. This is a sticker autograph, but I don't have anything of him, so this might be staying in the PC for a while. Larry Johnson jersey autograph. Let's see what's number 2. Number 2, 199. Very cool break. Not much base card wise, but this makes up for it. Pretty cheap box. That's it. Thanks for watching.